Catfish is the perfect protein to start a New Year's diet. Today, we're out here with Superior Catfish, where we're using some of their blackened seasoning, a Blackstone grill, and make some delicious blackened catfish. It's gonna be a super simple recipe. It all starts out with your fat of choice. Today, I'm just using standard vegetable oil. You wanna choose a fat with a high smoke point because you don't want it to burn. We'll put down a little bit of oil, 2 little pots. We're on an incline, so it's gonna kind of go everywhere, just fine. Spread it out, and then all we're gonna do is take our blackened seasoning, our catfish, we're gonna season it up. Pat it in a little bit, just make sure a lot of it sticks. Take my catfish and put it seasoning side down on my oil. I have all 4 burners of my Blackstone on to crank to the highest setting because you want to get that nice hard sear. Then I'm gonna take my blackened seasoning and season the backside. Once your fish is all seasoned up, we're gonna let it cook face down for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it blackens on one side and releases from the pan. Once that happens, we're gonna flip it over and continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes or until it's all the way cooked. I really love using Superior products, whether it's their fish, their seasoning, or even their sweatshirts. They provide great quality across the board. The catfish are super clean, they're sustainably raised, they're Mississippi farm-raised catfish, which is very, very important for a local Mississippian such as myself. Their seasoning is amazing. When I first had it, when they're testing the batches, I was blown away. The fish has an amazing clean flavor to it. It adheres to whatever seasoning I want to use on it, and it's the perfect canvas for any dish I want to make. All right, the catfish is cooked for about 3 minutes on this side. I'm gonna flip them over. You look at this catfish has a beautiful color on top. It's got a little bit of that black and a little bit of that burning, which we want on top. And it's almost done. It's starting to fall apart a little bit of the edge, which means the inside has another 2 minutes or so to cook. By the time the color's on there, it's ready to go. Catfish is the perfect protein to start a New Year's diet. Catfish is a very, very clean source of protein. High in protein, no fat, no carbs. It's gonna be a very sustainably and affordable protein for you to eat in your everyday meals. After about 6 minutes of total cook time, the catfish is ready to go. So I have a clean new plank. Don't worry, no cross-contamination. Just gonna scoop this off and plate it on top. It's falling apart, which is exactly how we want the catfish cooked. And then super easy clean up this Blackstone. Scrape off all my scraps, put them in the disposal. We're good to go. There is blackened catfish using Superior Blackened Catfish Seasoning, and obviously the best catfish around, Superior Catfish.